Hi, I'm Jen. I'm on the Microsoft Teams team. And if you're looking to prioritize and drive consensus on topics during a meeting, like projects, solutions, or even where to order lunch, try a ranking poll in your next Teams meeting. Once you've started your meeting, click the plus apps icon, then search for and select polls. Save to add polls to your meeting. And once added, you will see the polls options on the right of the meeting window. To start a ranking poll, select New Poll, then choose Ranking. Add your questions, answer options, then launch the poll. Each person in the meeting can rank their responses by clicking the up or down arrows, then press Submit. If results sharing is enabled, everyone can see the updated results as they come in. This is just one quick way to get feedback and make decisions in your next Teams meeting. Subscribe so you don't miss out on other Teams tips and how-tos.